जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 3rd chapter कर्मयोगम 37th श्लोक. गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा teaching निष्काम कर्म to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Now Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Oh Arjuna, for the question that you asked, that, oh Krishna, unwillingly we are doing mistakes, we are committing sins, thinking that something is forcing us. What is that force? That is what you asked. So Arjuna, the force is Rajogunam. Because you have Rajogunam, that Rajogunam makes the desire to come out. Once the desire comes out, desires are something that never fulfilled completely. When the desire is not fulfilled, when the desire is obstructed, there comes you get an anger. Once the anger comes, that is what is the most dangerous destruction it causes to each and every one of us and to the entire universe. So first thing is Rajogunam, from there desire, lust comes, and from there the anger comes. The one who is willing to get Atma Jnanam, this anger is a very big enemy. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma teaching all of us to control our anger. Having Krishna Paramatma's teaching running in our thoughts, now let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Kama yesha, krodha yesha, rajoguna, samudbhavaha, mahaseno, mahapapma, विध्येनम् इह वैरिणम्. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on thinking about you and meditating upon you. O Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Dvitiya Skandham, Saunaka is now talking to Suta Mahanubhava, saying that, "Oh Suta Mahanubhava, if anyone is not at all listening to Bhagavan Namam in their entire life, you know what? He is an equivalent to a pig which is roaming around, wandering around in the villages by eating whatever is not supposed to be eating and just living on this earth only to give the birth to the children. If someone is not listening to Bhagavan Namam, he is equivalent to such kind of pig. If anyone is not listening to Bhagavan Namam, O Suta Mahanubhava, he is an equivalent to a dog which is wandering around in the villages by eating whatever is not supposed to be eating and living on this earth only to give the birth to the children. That is what he is an equivalent to. O Suta Mahanubhava, if anyone is not listening to Bhagavan Namam in his entire life, he is an equivalent to a donkey which is roaming around in the villages by eating whatever is not supposed to be eating and just living on this earth only to give the birth to the children. Urukrama vikraman yena shrunvataha. If anyone is not listening to the Paramatmas, the divine stories, Sri Krishna Paramatmas, the miraculous stories, his ears are not ears. Vishnu kirtanamula vinani karnambulu కొండల బిలములు కువలయేస. His ears are like holes to the walls. O Suta Mahanubhava, whoever is not loudly chanting, not loudly singing Sri Krishna Paramatma's glory, Sri Krishna Paramatma's divine names, his tongue is not at all a tongue. His tongue is like a frog's tongue. Chakri padyambula chaduvani jihvalu కప్పల జిహ్వలు కౌరవేంద్ర. ఓ సూత మహానుభావ, భారః పరం పటక్ కిరీటజుష్టం. Whoever is not bowing his head to the divine feet of Mukunda, the one who can give moksham to us, his head is not head. Even if the head is decorated with the coronated nice crown, his head is just a mere heavy weight on the body, but his head is not real head. చక్రికి మ్రొక్కని జడుని యౌదలనున్న కనక కిరీటంబు గట్టెమోపు. ఓ సుత మహానుభావ, సావౌ కరౌ నో కురుతే సపర్యాం హరేః. His hands, whosever hands, even if they are decorated with golden bangles and golden ornaments, if those hands are not doing seva of Sriman Narayana, those hands are not at all hands. Those hands are like dead bodies hands. Kamalakshu పూజకు కాని హస్తంబులు, శవము హస్తంబులు, సత్య सत्यवचना बर्हायिते ते नयने नराणां. O Sutamahanubhava, whose eyes are not interested in visiting Paramatma's divine murtis, Srimannarayana's divine vigrahas, Srimannarayana's divine forms, Vishnoho na nirikshato, whosever eyes are not visiting those divine vigrahas, their eyes are not eyes, not real eyes. Their eyes are just mere equivalent to the impressions like eyes on the peacock. O Suta Mahanubhava, whosever feet not walking towards the places of Paramatma's temples, Divya Desas, Divya Kshetras, and wherever Paramatma is living with his divine forms, if whosever feet is not walking towards those divine places, Kshetrani Nanu Vrajato Harehe, those feet are not real feet, but it is mere equivalent to the roots of a tree. గరుడ గమను భజన గతిలేని పదములు పాదపముల పాదపటలమనఘా. Like this, Saunaka is expressing his view on the devotion towards Srimannarayana. Saunaka expressing to Suta Mahanubhava. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. ఓం శ్రీకృష్ణ పరబ్రహ్మణే నమః. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. శ్లోకాస్ ఫ్రమ్ ముకుందమాలా స్తోత్రం. మాద్రాక్షం క్షీణపుణ్యాన్ క్షణమపి భవతో భక్తిహీనాన్ పదాబ్జే మాశ్రౌషం శ్రావ్యబంధం తవ చరితం అపాస్య అన్యదాఖ్యానజాతం మాస్మార్షం మాధవ త్వామపి భువనపతే చేతసా పహ్నువానాన్ మా భూవం త్వత్సపర్యావ్యతికరరహితో జన్మ జన్మాంతరేపి. కృష్ణో రక్షతు నో జగత్రయగురుః కృష్ణం నమస్యామ్యహం. కృష్ణేనామరశత్రవో వినిహతాః కృష్ణాయ తస్మై నమః. కృష్ణాదేవ సముత్థితం జగదిదం కృష్ణస్య దాసోऽస్మ్యహం. కృష్ణే తిష్టతి విశ్వమేతదఖిలం హే కృష్ణ సంరక్ష మాం. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 3rd chapter 37th శ్లోక. కామయేష క్రోధయేష రజోగుణ సముద్భవః మహాశనో మహాపాప్మా విద్యేనం ఇహ వైరిణం. కామయేష క్రోధయేష రజోగుణసముద్భవః మహాశనో మహాపాప్మా విద్యేనమిహ వైరిణం. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.